Good morning, students. Myself Kishan sir. Today we will discuss oxidation and reduction reaction of Unit 1, Chemical Reaction and Equations. Previously we have discussed different types of reaction including combination reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction and decomposition reaction. Okay. Today we'll discuss oxidation and reduction reaction. For that, see the activity 1.11 given in your textbook. Heat a china dish containing about 1 gram of copper powder, that is shown in figure 1.10. What do you observe? So the surface of copper powder becomes coated with black copper oxide. Why has this black substance formed? This is because oxygen is added to copper and copper oxide is formed. Let's see in the reaction form, copper plus oxygen in presence of heat, it will form copper oxide. If hydrogen gas is passed over this heated material, copper oxide, the black coating on the surface turns brown as the reverse reactions takes place and copper is obtained. Again, let's see the simple equation. What you have to do, take copper oxide, pass hydrogen gas, you will get copper plus H2O. It's clear? It's simple. If a substance gains oxygen during a reaction, underline this, it is said to be oxidized. And if a substance loses oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be reduced. In equation 1.29, the copper oxide is losing oxygen and is being reduced. Yes. The hydrogen is gaining oxygen and it is being oxidized. In other words, one reactant gets oxidized while the other gets reduced during a reaction. Such reactions are called oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions. So listen students, a reaction in which one reactant is getting oxidized and other reactant is getting reduced, and the oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously, then such reactions are termed as oxidation reduction reaction or also known as redox reaction. One example is given below. Copper oxide plus dihydrogen in heat, it will give copper plus water molecule. Now see here, copper oxide, it will reduce oxygen and form a copper. It means it's reduction reaction. And hydrogen, after gaining oxygen, it will form H2O and it is known as oxidation reduction reaction. So, okay. Some other examples of redox reactions are given below. You can see easily. Let's consider equation 1.31. ZnO plus C gives Zn plus CO. Now tell me students, in this whose oxidation is taking place and whose reduction is takes place. Let's take ZnO. It will become Zn, means oxygen is removed. So we can say that ZnO is being reduced to Zn, and at the same time carbon is oxidized to carbon monoxide. Good. Another example is given. You can refer it. So this is example of oxidation reduction reaction. Read it carefully in your textbook, underline the important points, see the reaction, how it is balanced. Okay.